Hey everyone, hey guys, how are you doing? Yeah, so guys, as always, we are going to do another episode of making smoothie at home, but today we are going to do it in a different way. Today I'm not making kids smoothie, I'm going to make our smoothie, adult smoothie. Yeah, yes, this should be interesting to you. Yeah, yeah, and it's kind of a juice because I don't prefer it as smoothie. I prefer it as a juice. The smoothie tends to be a juice when you you sieve it. You sieve it with kichungi when you remove those those remainings of the fruits that you have used. Yeah. So the juice that will come out of it, that's what we call the juice. And when before you extract them, it will be smoothie. So for me, let us get into it. Okay, make sure you have subscribed, you have watched at least 2 of my video fully. Like, actually I have interesting videos. Yeah, just click them. They are my videos are very interesting and helpful. I try to make as much as educative videos, not just videos for fun or for the sake of making videos. Okay, and now guys, let me show you the ingredient, and make sure you watch my videos from the beginning to the end. That will be very, very helpful and supportive of you. Okay, yes, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and press that bell, the bell, press that bell. Okay, yes, so that you can be getting the notifications every time I post a video. Okay guys, so our today ingredients are here already. So I have the powder, the ginger powder. I have my water, 1 liter. I have my carrots, my small spoon, my teaspoon. I have moringa. Moringa is my favorite, for calcium. It's very useful. I don't lack moringa in my smoothies. Okay, I don't lack moringa in my house, and I must add moringa in my smoothies. Okay, yeah, I have the last pineapples that remained. Yeah, I stored them in the fridge. And today I'm going to add sugar because this is for us, it's not for kids. I prefer, and because I'm going to add a lot of water, so sugar will be okay with it. Okay, yes, sugar is okay. I told you I have a lot of methods of making my smoothies, and for kids I prefer using natural sugars like honey and stevia or sweet mint. Okay, yes, so, and my blender. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Yeah. This is how it looks. See? So delicious and nice color. That is how it looks after blending. And because I've told you I don't like it like that, because when you drink it you'll feel some particles, some carrot particles. Also I would love to sieve. So I will sieve it with this my big kichungi so that it can be a very smooth juice. Okay, yes. Like holding the camera and doing this is so hard. See, this is the particles I'm talking about. See? Smooth and fresh juice. Wow. Tata has grown so big and so tall. She's stressing me out here. There she comes again. She's too fast. You've already found your way? Yes. Yeah, I don't need you here. Mommy is busy. Will we ever be done? Don't stress mommy. Don't disturb mommy. I need to finish this. Yes. Guys, you don't hear that son making noise because that son is sleeping. So I don't get time to rest. When one sleeps, the other one is awake. When this one sleeps, the other one gets awake. And yeah, that's my life. It doesn't get easier. It gets harder. But for now, I'm getting used to it. Apart from that, I always have fatigue. I don't know when will I ever rest. I don't know when my body will ever rest. My husband is always busy working. He does not have even off days. Like, I don't know when will our life be easier, or will our life be like before. I don't know when will we ever get time to spend together. Unless they go to school, I don't know. It's so hard. But anyway, it's life. Guys, my nini is full. This is good, guys. See? Look at it. Soft. And I love the color. You know, you might think it's an orange juice, but it's carrot pineapple juice. And it tastes so good. It tastes so good. Someone might think there is passion inside. Sweet. This is nice. You better try it. Try. Like, you don't have to buy juice outside. You know, when you have this one, you can put it in the fridge and it can go for even 2 to 3 days. Put this at home. Go drink your juice. Fresh juice, homemade juice, and you know, juice yenye unajua ni umejitengenezea ina any chemicals. Okay, yes guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time on my next video. Just make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and I'm signing out. Bye.